Kharaj Tourism Minister, Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. I'm really honored to be here. Dubai, he gave us a chance for this Dubai Expo to promote our tourism, promote our culture, promote our traditions. The people know right now what is the Gilgit-Baltistan. I'm especially thankful to Dubai government and Expo and TDF, how he doing this great opportunity to provide us this mega event in whole months for Gilgit-Baltistan, for especially Pakistan.
It was a pleasure and pride for us to be present today at the performance of Gilgit-Baltistan, which is amazing, which is the heart of Pakistan, the future of Pakistan, with its diversity. You're talking of Karakoram, Hindu-Kush, you're talking of mountain ranges, Himalayas, and you're talking of people with different languages, and above all, people who are committed to Pakistan and the progress of Pakistan.